The last type of the question is statistics for part A. It's probably the easiest chapter for you, but let's revise a little bit. For represent the data on a box plot, it can be seen also in part B. You need to know the minimum, the maximum, quartile 1, quartile 3, quartile 2 is the median. Also you need to know what's average or mean. It's the same when you add all the numbers and divide by the number. Also standard deviation, but standard deviation is in part B for Maths 3, so then we will go in Maths 3. So the first step, when you have data and you want to find the median, quartile 1, quartile 3, is to put the numbers in order. Do not forget that in 2007 they are already put in order, but it's not always like this. And then the next step is just to find the number in the middle in order to find the median. So the last, the first, the second, this one, 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 this one. The number in the middle, it's number 10. So this is the median. We have odd numbers here, odd numbers. That's why we have exact number in the middle. But if we have even number, for example, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, see we have 8 numbers, so then we don't have a number in the middle. So this is the average, the mean. 2 and 3, 2.5 is the median in this case. Okay, let's find now the Q1. Q1 actually is the median of the other numbers. Here we have left even numbers, so we have 6 numbers. In the middle is number between 7 and 7, but it's number 7. Q1 is 7. And here we have 6 numbers left. It's between the number between 11 and 13, it's number 12. So Q3 is equal to 12. So do not forget, when we have odd numbers, the median is median, so we don't count the median here. So 10 is just 10 and it's not there. We calculate this one, and Q3 we calculate the median of the rest. But here the median is not part of the numbers, it's 2.5, and we just again we have left 4 numbers here, 4 numbers here. So between 1 and 2 it's 1.5, between 4 and 5 it's 4.5. So this is Q1, Q3. This is an example when we have odd, when we have even numbers, even number of numbers. We have 8 numbers here. Here we have 13 numbers. That makes the difference. And then when we have the median, the lower, this is the lower quartile, lower is Q1, Q3 is the upper. Then we can represent the data on a box plot. What's that? This is the X line. Here are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6, 5, 4. Then we have that. Yeah. And then I have median, which is 10. I have Q1, which is 7. 7 is here. I have Q3, which is 12. And then these are Q1, Q2, Q3. and then the maximum value is 14, the minimum value is 4. When I connect these, this is the box and whisker plot. Question 8. The following table shows students' marks in a test. Marks 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, number of students 1, 5, 4, 2k. Given that the median mark is 5, determine all possible values of k. Here you just have to, so we have 3 ones, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 4, then we have 5, 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 6 we have 2 times, and 7 we don't know. It can be 0, it can be 1, 2, 3, but the median mark is 5. The median mark is 5, so we have 3, 6 numbers here, and 6 numbers here. So if we have 0 students with mark 7, we have no 7 here, the median will be between 4 and 5. It would be 4.5, but it's 5. So we have at least 1 7. If it's 1 7, so if k is equal to 1, then the median is 3 6. 3 6, so the median is exactly 5. It's 5. If k is 2, we have 2 7s, then the median is for 7 numbers here and 7 numbers here. The median is between 5 and 5. It's also a solution. If k is 3, then we have 3 7s, so we have 3 6 8 to here, and 7, so 7 and 7 in the middle, it's 5. Yeah. When k is 4, then the median is here between 5 and 5. When k is 5, then we have 3 5 7 9 3 6 8. We have 8, 4 and 4 is 8 up to here. 2 4 6 8 is here, so we still have median 5. When we add one more 7, when k is 6, we have 3 and 3 6 and 3 9, 3 and 3 6 and 3 9, so 9 is to here, and we have 3 6 9 here, so it's between 5 and 5. When k is 7, three 7 and 2, it's 9, 9 is to here, 1 4 and 4 8 10, so 9 are here and 9. And when k is 8, then the number will be between 5 and 6, which is not possible, so k is from 1 to 7. The box plot shows the results. The pass 6 out of 100 from there. It's possible to conclude that at least half of the students must justify your number. What does it show us? The median. The median actually is half of the, shows us half of the for example, here, what was that, 13 G? The median shows us the number that half of the students are less and half of the students are more than this number. So in this case, the box plot shows that to pass, here's the median is 65. So half of the students are more than 65, half of the students are less than 65. By the way, these are Q1 and Q3. So To pass, you must obtain the minimum score of 60. So to pass, so more than 50% of the students have more than 60 from the diagram. Is it possible to get that at least half of the students passed? What do you think? Half of the students are here. Half of the students. 60 is the pass, so 50%, even more than 50 passed. So in question 2015, we have 200,000 inhabitants in 400 villages. The median number per village is 150. Calculate the mean number of inhabitants per village. So what's the mean? The mean number per village, we have 200,000 divided by 400, it's 500. 500 inhabitants per village. But the median is 150. The median is 150. So here is the median, 150 is the median, but 500 is the mean. So this means that in some village, so half of the, in 50% of the villages. So we imagine that we have 200 villages here, 200 villages here, and 200 villages here, and 150 is the median. So this means that in 50% of the villages, we have less than 150 inhabitants. So this makes the big difference between mean and median. Give a possible reason for the difference. Just for example, if it's some areas can be in the mountain, some villages, or it's in Norway, for example, on the north side there are no villages, or there are many villages with a few people in them. That's it. I think this is the easiest. So you need to know how to, this is the most important. When we have odd numbers, when we have even numbers. When we have odd numbers, we found the median very easy, and then forget about this median and calculate the median of the rest again. And it's always in the middle. The Q1, if you don't have the exact number, it's in the middle, it's the mean. 7 and 7, the mean is easy, but 11 and 13, in the mean is 11 plus 13 over 2, which is 12. When we have even numbers, the median is in the middle, but there is no number, so we have to find the mean of 2 and 3, it's 2.5, and then do not forget to add these 2 and 3 in their groups. 2 is part of this group, 3 is part of this group. So they are still there. We don't forget about them. Like here with 10, we count them. So we have even numbers here, even numbers here.